This initial solution will show you how to make your Instagram profile totally private. If you decide to make your Instagram account private, your post will be seen only by your followers and any hashtags you use will be hidden from searches. Now, follow me to hide your account private. Making your profile private is quite simple. First of all, open your Instagram and open your profile. Once you are in your profile page, tap on this three-line icon at the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. And here, tap on Account Privacy. And you will get the private account option here. So all you have to do is just toggle this switch on. And tap on Switch to Private. And after that, your account will be converted to a private account. So this is how we can make our Instagram profile totally private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.